guys, I'm gonna show how to do a program to translate the sentences using Google Translation in Python. So come on, now we'll go into the program. Type here as from Google Trans import translator, and then Kenya, and then type as AB is equal to input, and then to open close brackets and double quotes in there, and in there type as enter the sentence, and then a colon, and then close the quote, and then close the brackets too, and then Kenya, and type as A is equal to input, and then to open close brackets and double quotes in there, and then in there type as enter the language, and then colon, and then close the double quotes and then close the brackets too, and then come down and then type as if Spanish, and then close the quotes, and then type as or, and then two double quotes, and then in there capital S Spanish, Spanish, and then close the quotes, and then here type as in A, and then colon, and then Kenya, and then type as a.replace, and then to open and close brackets and to double quotes in there, and in there type as es, and then close the quotes, and then two empty quotes, and then here close the brackets and then Kenya, and then I'll just copy this then, and then I'll paste it here, and then here I'll type as Hindi, and then capital H, and then here the language code as HI. And then if you want to add a new language by your taste, you can type as first you have to type as if, and then the for next things and all you have to type as elif, and then the last thing is else. So here I'll type elif, and then if you, for example, if you want French, you can type here a small f French, and then here capital F French, and then here the French language code, and then here you can put two double quotes and then a comma, and then two empty double quotes as here, and then now this is the procedure to add a new language, and then come down and then type as else, and then a colon, and then come in and then type as print, and then to open close brackets and double quotes in there, and in there type as language not found, and then here a colon, and then close the quotes, and then close the brackets too, and then Kenya, and then type as trans is equal to translator, and then to open and close brackets and then come down, and then type as t is equal to translate dot, and then type as here type as trans.translate, just a minute, translate, and then type here as text, to open and close brackets, and in there text is equal to, and then AB, and then a comma, and then type as src, which means source, is equal to English, which means we'll type the sentence in English, and then a comma, dest is equal to A, which means the destination language is the inputted language, and then close the bracket, and then Kenya, and then type as print, and then to open and close brackets, and in there F, and then a quote, and then in there type as first curly brace here, and then t.origin, and then close the curly brace, and then leave a space, and then two hyphens, and then the greater than symbol, and then leave a space again, and then open a curly brace, and then type as t.text, and then close the curly brace again, and then close the quote, and then close the bracket too, and then now we'll run the program. Just a minute. Now I'll type here as hello, and then I'll type here as Spanish, and then click on enter. Hello is hola, and again I'll run the program, and I'll give something as I am a boy. I am a boy. And then the language is Spanish again. Yeah, and then I'll click on enter. Sorry, I think I've given a wrong language. And then again I'll click and yes, I am a boy, and then I'll click on enter, and then Spanish, and then I'll click on enter. I am a boy is so in Checha, something in French, and then again we'll test Hindi. Yeah, and then here I'll type as hello, and then Hindi, namaskar, and yeah, and then thank you, yeah, and then I'll click on enter, and then here Hindi again, and then thank you is dhanyavad. That's all. We have created our own program to translate the sentences using Google Translator in Python. So now if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and give me thumbs up, and if the code works, give me some comments about your coding experience in my channel. So bye, we'll meet you next time.